so you can't move these.
Okay.
But when we do, we'll just unlock it, and this is click and drag.
Oh, and you can put them anywhere you want. Okay,
Yep.
that's what I want to make sure.
So each time you do a new stage layout, you kind of just move them around.
Right.
Yep, we'll set up the lights just to test it out, and then once we know where all the lights are going to be, someone will come back here and reconfigure this.
How often is that?
Once a quarter.
Yeah, like once a quarter.
Mike's been
Been around
for
for
Mike.
3.5 years.
All right.
And just understand with Mike, confident response doesn't necessarily mean accuracy.
Oh, that is not true. I am
But yeah,
always confident about my accuracy.
usually the stage design stays the same throughout the series.
Right.
Oh, okay.
This is actually Waymaker.
Right.
So we did this all of the last quarter, and we're going to continue to do it until they come up with a new design. So once it's set, it's pretty much set for a while. So I'm going to lock this just to make sure we don't end up moving stuff. As you know, we do have additional lights. If we're not using a certain light for a stage design, we'll just move it up here in the corner. And as you see, we have a little note here. Okay, but most of you saw the videos.
Yeah.
For the people that didn't see the videos,
Watch them.
watch the videos if you can. But you know the basics about creating a new song. And that's mainly what you guys are going to be doing.
Right.
To create a new song, we can go ahead and click on New. This brings us over to our editing side. And let me actually release that so you can see the changes.
Sorry.
So right here, this is our first cue. We'll call it
Do we have to
intro.
do anything for the Rhythm Night songs? Maybe
You have
we
to
can
talk to
actually
Dan.
do one.
I think we actually already have something programmed in for Rhythm Night. Okay. Since I'm over here, this is the song library. Every time you create and save a song, it gets put over here.
Where'd you get that from?
It says on the default when you click over to the console.
Okay.
What used to happen was I would have my own copy of the library, and whoever else was doing light would have their own personal copy. And the thing with that was, yeah, like a USB drive. So I would come in Sunday morning, I would plug it in, I'll copy it over. And what would happen is, let's say we did one song 2 Sundays in a row. Well, my Sunday might look completely different from the previous Sunday. And they really want songs to look the same. Consistency, right. So now we just have a master file here, and we make adjustments as needed. And they also have a library that you can go and look online. I can give you guys a link later. But it actually shows you what the color schemes are for the songs. And those are standard. If you have questions, you can always look it up. If they make changes, they usually let you know. Let me check over here. Where was I looking for Rhythm Night? No. And you notice a lot of these are abbreviated. Usually we just take the first letter of each word and the name of the song. Sometimes it's just one word, so we'll type it out. So grateful is all grateful. This is here, something. You'll get used to it. You'll get used to it. Sometimes you'll just have something simple like list. This is probably something we started working on, hit save, and then later went back and redid it without deleting this. Waymaker. I guess we don't have a Rhythm Night. So, if you guys see Dan, ask him if we need anything for Rhythm Night, and we may go ahead and make something
Jarrett
for
will
that.
be running the lights tonight.
Jared?
Yeah.
But remember, Rhythm Night, they don't actually start telling you anything until around 4 o'clock.
Thereabouts.
Okay. So sometimes you'll see stuff like Crazy Lights. Crazy Lights was something I set up for Concord Countdown. It's just black on, and as you see, it's not matching the current stage design. It was set up for something
Right.
a long time ago when we didn't have rounds. So,
Speaking of which, because it's so bright. When you had the opener and you had the white lights on the round, they were like super white. Is that because that was the lowest you could get it to? It's like it cuts off at a certain point.
No.
Okay.
If you brought it up, we can go look at it.
Dan, we need anything for Rhythm Night programmed because we're here.
It should be. It's Real Love, Power, and Forever I Run. I don't know if we need to program anything for those.
Okay.
Or 30. We've done them before.
So this was the opening song. This is me. So typically we'd already be out like this. Band watch would be out. So Mike was saying this was kind of bright for him, which can be a no complaint.
Especially if you're trying to look at a darker screen.
Right. So this is actually at 20%, the round lights.
Right.
Like this is 30, 40, 50, 60, 70.
Blinding.
The face of God.
What is that?
That's where it should have been probably.
So one of the things with the round lights, you see at 10%, you can see individual lights there. At 20, it's kind of hard to distinguish the individual light bulbs.
Can you go like in increments of 5?
Yeah. You can actually type in a value.
So that's good.
So 15 probably would have worked better.